A nice energy drink? Oh! No! Whoa! Oh, whoa, whoa! Hey! Ow! Ow, ow, ow! I'm dying! You're killing me! What's that for? Ooh! You got neat things. Truce! Time out! Time out! Boring. Oh! You like to share? You have more? Oh, yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Good choice. Use that every time. No. Ow! Do I look taller now? What do you think? I'm silly putty? Fetch me some coffee, please. I'm not happy that way. Ooh, that's better. Choose something else. Mayday! Mayday! Well, looks like Thursday. Apocalypse! Oh, I'm doomed. There goes the sequel. Read the directions. Oh, the earth moves for me. I feel the earth move under my feet. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? What's going on? There's nothing sacred. That's not good. Siri, here's the nearest hospital. Are you taking it? Open a window. Aye! Ouch! Make it stop, make it stop! That's not right. Nothing is safe. You might want to put that back. Ow! What's wrong with you? Ow! Guy? Oh, my biscuits are burning! I'm burning! No! My God, why? You're a bad person. Siri, call the ambulance. what big teeth you have. Eat me gently. I will tasty. I am wrapped in darkness. Boring. Oh God! Ow! Time out! I don't know it. No. My bones! Stop, drop, and roll! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? What's wrong with you? Oh, my biscuits are burning! Open a window! Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Steamboat Willie. Ow! Buddy, angry! No! No, not that. Read the directions! Oh, please, stop! No, please! Oh! This is rather peaceful. No. So, what do you want to do? You got anything I could read for a few minutes? Choose something else. That's not good. Bill. You might want to put that back.